Leo, do we have everything?
Let me check. Passports, tickets, and luggage. Yes, we have everything.
Great. Let's go to the check-in counter.
Good morning. May I see your passports and tickets, please?
Sure. Here they are.
Thank you. How many bags do you have?
We have 2 suitcases and 1 carry-on bag.
Okay. Do you want a window or an aisle seat?
Window seat, please.
All right. Here are your boarding passes. Your gate is B12. Boarding starts at 8:30.
Thank you.
Please place your bags on the conveyor belt.
Do I need to take off my shoes?
Yes, and please put your laptop and liquids in a separate tray.
Do I need to take off my belt?
Yes, please.
Is it okay if I keep my jacket on?
Yes, you can keep it on.
All done.
The flight is on time. Let's find a place to sit.
Look, there's a coffee shop over there. Do you want something to drink?
Yes, I want a coffee and a sandwich, please.
I'll have a tea.
Let's sit near the window. We can watch the planes.
Attention please, passengers for Flight 342 to New York, please proceed to Gate B12.
That's our flight. Let's go.
Here is the boarding pass.
Good morning. May I see your boarding pass?
Here it is.
Thank you. Your seat is 14A.
And mine is 14B.
Enjoy your flight.
Plane is very comfortable.
Yes. Can I put my bag under the seat?
Yes, please.
Excuse me, can I have a blanket?
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you.
The view from the window is amazing.
Look at the clouds. They are so beautiful.
I'm a little nervous about flying.
Don't worry. The flight is very safe.
Welcome to New York. Please remain seated until the plane stops completely.
We made it.
Let's get our luggage and go through customs.
Do you have anything to declare?
No, we don't.
Enjoy your stay.
Thank you.
Let's find a taxi to the hotel.
Yes, let's go.